What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I will be teaching you guys how to add a mod menu to your Gorilla Tag copy, fully working. Everything will be working, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. It's a really fast tutorial. It's not much steps. It's really easy. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to do is go to my Discord and go to the channel called How to Add a Mod Menu. Once you're in this channel, there should be a Unity package called like Root Beer's mod menu opener or Root Beer's mod menu stuff. Once you go ahead and download the Unity package, and after you download it, what you're going to do is you're going to import it into your project. So you're going to go to your File Explorer and import it by dragging it in. After you drag it in, you will see a folder somewhere in your project called Root Beer's stuff or something like that. It will start with an ROO if you can't find it. What it'll have is a whole bunch of stuff for your mod menu, and it will also have the open menu script that we'll be using later. So after that, go back to the Discord and scroll up until you find the channel called Mod Menus. What you do is click it and scroll through until you find a mod menu that you would like to use. There's so many, but there will be more later. I'm going to use the Polar V2 one, and you'll just download the package and then you'll import it into your project. Once you import it into your project, you'll see it somewhere in there. It might be in a folder or anywhere. Mine's at the bottom. What you do is drag it out, rotate it, and make sure it is good and you like it. Yeah, I like this one, so make sure it looks good and you'll like the mod menu. After checking out the mod menu, you need to go to your Gorilla player. You're going to click on it, go to your rig, open up your rig, and then open up body, and then you're going to go to which arm you want. I'm going to choose shoulder left, so you'll open up shoulder left. So you'll open up the shoulder left, and then upper arm left, and then forearm left, and hand left. And after that, you're going to go to your mod menu, and you're going to drag it into hand L. And if your mod menu spawns all the way over there, just set your position all to 0, and then say all your rotations to 0. And if it looks like that, all you gotta do is move it the way you want, twist it around and all that, and make it look like it's on your hand. I'll do that real quick. After you rotate it the way you want and the way you like it, I'm gonna teach you how to set up the open menu script now. So once you get it on your hand, what you'll do is you're gonna create an empty. So I'm gonna close this real quick though, so where I have enough room. You'll create an empty, and you'll call it open menu manager. And then what you'll do is go into the folder called Root Beer's mod menu stuff or whatever it's called, and you'll drag the open menu script on the empty you made. Now after you drag the open menu script, what you'll do is scroll up until you find your mod menu and drag it into the open menu parent. And then for hand, you're just going to set it on the hand that you have your mod menu on. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to set up the buttons. So once you get the open menu manager and all that finished, what you're going to do is go into the Discord, and you're going to go to this channel called Scripts, and you're going to click on it. And then after you click on it, you're going to scroll up until you find the script you want to use. I'm going to look for the trigger platform script, and I'm going to use that one. So I'm going to download it, and I'm going to import it into my project. Alright, so now I'm going to teach y'all how to add the buttons and make them work. So go back into the Discord, go to the channel called How to Add a Mod Menu, and then you'll see a script called Banana OS Menu Button 1 or something like that. You'll go ahead and download it, and then you'll import it into your project. After you import it in your project, you're going to drag it onto the button. For your press material, you're going to search up pressed, and you're going to click pressed one. And for your unpressed material, you're just going to use the one material that is on the button already. So you'll drag that on there. And then for button renderer, what you're going to do is go into your hierarchy, find the button, and you're just going to drag that into your button renderer. And then to make it actually like functional, so go to objects to toggle, click the plus, and then go to elements to toggle. For game object, you're gonna create an empty, call it whatever mod you're using, as I'm using platforms, and I'm gonna teach you how to set the platforms up too in a second. So what you'll do is drag your script on there, and you're gonna scroll back up, and you're gonna click on your button, and then you're gonna scroll down to that empty, and you're gonna drag it onto your game object. And then for toggle, you're gonna do pressed again, and then for your original, you're gonna do black unit or whatever yours is called. Alright, so this is how to set up the platforms. If you're using platforms, what you're going to do is you're going to create a sphere or a cube. You're going to set all the positions to 0, and then you're going to double click it to teleport to it. What you want to do is you're going to use the green size tool, and you're just going to size it down until it looks flat with the sphere. And if you're using a cube, just size it down until it looks like a kind of cube shape or like a rectangle. Now you're going to size it down so where it's smaller and it's suitable for the hand. And then if you want a material, I'm going to use the candy cane material, but you can use any material you want. So you're just going to drag the material you want to use onto the platform. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go into the empty with the mod on it. You're going to drag your platform into objects to spawn. And then for hand, you're going to do left hand controller. You're going to click on left hand controller. And then for controller, you're going to do left, because that's your left one. And then after that, you're going to re-add the script on that empty. For your right hand, you're going to drag your platform and object to spawn. Your hand is going to be right hand controller. And your controller is going to be right. That's how you set up the mods and stuff, and you're just going to do that for every single button on your mod menu. And I'm going to make a tutorial on how to add more than one page. But otherwise, that's all, and how to do your mod menu and stuff. This is the end of the video. If you like the video and want me to make more, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to see whenever I post. Make sure to join the Discord in the description to see updates on things, and that's it, and I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.